Welcome students. In this video, we are going to see Unit 2, Prose, the Queen of Boxing. This is an excerpt from Mary Com's autobiography, Unbreakable. Now let's see about the author. Mongte Changnijang, Mary Com, popularly known as Mary Com, is an Indian boxer and the winner of 5 World Boxing Championships and an Olympic bronze medal in 2012. As a schoolgirl, she used to play a variety of sports: hockey, football, and athletics. Inspired by Manipuri boxer Dinko Singh, who won a gold at the Asian Games in 1998, Mary Com took up boxing. She won the first medal of silver in Pennsylvania, USA in 2001. She is the only woman boxer to win a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. She was honored with the Padma Shri in 2010 and the Padma Bhushan in 2013 for her wonderful achievements in the field of sports. She wrote her autobiography, Unbreakable, in 2013. Mary Com was selected in the 48 kg category for the World Women's Boxing Championships in Pennsylvania, USA in 2001. Mary Com managed to get financial support for her trip to the USA from 2 MPs' donation of rupees 5,000 and 3,000 respectively, with the help of her friend Onler. Later, Onler became her husband. Her father gave rupees 2,000, so she had 10,000 rupees in her hands. With this princely amount, princely is very large, so with this princely amount and a little more that had been collected from people, she went to America. Mary Com thought that she should not return empty handed after all the efforts that people had made for her trip. Pennsylvania was cold and beautiful. The snowing was pleasing. The people were nice. It was the first time she had traveled so far. Since they were the last team to arrive, they went straight to the sporting arena from the airport. After the long journey, she had jet lag. So, jet lag is extreme tiredness felt by a person after a long flight across different time zones. Mary Com did not have any match that day. So she felt that she was very lucky. But some of the teammates were not so lucky. She was able to rest well enough to face her opponent in the round, and she started winning the matches one after the other and reached the finals. She was very confident of winning the gold. In the quarter-final, she defeated Nadia Hokme of Poland by RSC. RSC is referee stopped contest. This is applicable if the referee feels one of the boxers is inferior to the other and risks getting hurt badly. So this is Nadia Hokme. In the semi-final, she defeated Jamie Behel of Canada. She reached the finals but lost to Hula Sahin of Turkey. The greatest disadvantage for her was her loss of appetite. She was not hungry, as she was not accustomed to the food there. She could not eat and she started to lose weight. Just before the finals, she was only 46 kg. She was very disappointed that she couldn't win gold. She went to her room and cried. But the coaches were kind. They consoled her and lauded her. Lauded is appreciated. They consoled her and appreciated her on the silver win. She was the only one in the team to get a medal. After this victory, she started traveling to different places. One time in China, they were given chopsticks to eat their meals. She enjoyed Chinese food but found it difficult to use the chopsticks. She tried to manage it but ended using both her hands to hold the chopsticks to pick up the food and push it into her mouth. Her teammates asked for spoons, but she tried to manage with the sticks. She ate enough to that is, satisfy her appetite and her palate, that is, sense of taste. The first international silver medal at Pennsylvania was her greatest achievement. It brought fame and conviction, that is, firm faith and belief, to get more medals. She was given a warm welcome at Delhi Airport in Imphal. She was greeted with garlands and drum beats and dancing. A victory march was taken. A felicitation program was held in Langol. Words of praise and adulation, that is appreciation, were showered on her. The people praised and appreciated her. That day, when she spoke to the people in Langol, she promised that she would win gold in future tournaments. Mary Kom was not satisfied with her first silver medal because she knew that she was good enough to win gold. The prize money from the government helped her overcome financial worries. In order to ensure long term security and a steady income, she needed a government job. Her dream of getting a government job under sports quota was fulfilled when she got her second World Championship gold. The Manipur government offered her the post of a sub-inspector. She earned a salary of Rs 15,000 per month. Persons appointed under sports quota need not attend office regularly. She went to the office only when necessary. Thus, government job on sports quota helped Mary Kom pursue her dream. Mary Kom's medal haul. Haul is taking a collection. Mary Kom's medal haul continued breaking the speculation. Speculation is guess. Speculation about her ability to win after her marriage. Her medal haul continued after her marriage. So she started collecting many awards even after her marriage. She retained the world title in the third World Women's Championship at Peresk in Russia. In that tournament, Sarita had won the bronze and Mary Kom gold. So they were given a hero's welcome at the Imphal airport. They were taken to the Bhagyachandra Open Air Theatre for a grand reception. She won several golds from 2001 to 2004. Her winning streak continued in 4th World Women's Championship in 2006. She retained her world title for the 4th time in 2006 by defeating Steluta Dutta of Romania at New Delhi was one of her greatest achievements in life. It was probably the most memorable for her because she was able to win at home. Mary Kom inspired fellow boxers to excel. In 2006, India hauled 4 golds, 1 silver, and 3 bronzes. Her team went on to win the overall title. With this hat trick of world championship wins, the media christened her Queen of Boxing and Magnificent Mary. Mary Kom is a living legend to all women who wish to reach stardom in sports. Thank you, students.